How to add or change password in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option Face ID and passcode. If you can't find here Face ID and passcode option, then click on screen time and then click on content and privacy restrictions. Turn it on. Now scroll down and here you can see the option passcode and Face ID. Now click on it. If you select don't allow, then you cannot see your Face ID and passcode icon on your settings. Then click on allow. After clicking on allow, then go back and here you can see your Face ID and passcode option. Now click on it and enter your current passcode and scroll down and here you can turn off your passcode and change your passcode. Now click on change passcode and here you can enter your current passcode and here you can change your passcode and click on passcode options. Now here you can select 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code or custom alphanumeric code. Now click any and then select password. So this is a way to add or change passcode in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.